This is Mitosis versus Meiosis by Nathan Lee. So what is mitosis? Mitosis is the dividing of one cell into two cells, which are exactly identical. It has multiple steps and several purposes, but it is most commonly used for healing and regenerating of cells. Mitosis steps. Before mitosis begins, the cell must undergo interphase, in which they prepare for cell division. Interphase is where the starter cell undergoes enlargement and gets certain parts of the cells copied in order for mitosis to occur. Say I was taking a test, and if I was to use this mitosis example, interphase would be the part where I'm studying for the test. I'm basically preparing for the final event. After interphase, mitosis occurs. Mitosis has several steps. Meiosis. Meiosis takes two unique cells and outputs four unique cells, which are completely different from each other. It is very similar to mitosis, so it also has many of the steps. Both meiosis and mitosis require interphase, which is nearly identical to the mitosis part. Meiosis steps. The first step is prophase 1, where the two chromosomes are attached at the tips. Then they cross over and interchange corresponding genomes. This creates variety. The last step is prometaphase 1, where the cells split apart to produce four unique cells with two chromosomes each. So we have interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, just like mitosis. But what's unique about the meiosis is that these cells, they split another time after crossing over, so we end up with four unique cells. So they have a first part and a second part, so it splits twice. Differences between mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis uses one cell to create two identical diploid cells, while meiosis uses two unique cells to create four unique haploid cells. Meiosis undergoes crossover, which make the four cells unique. Mitosis does not. Meiosis, like I mentioned earlier, splits twice, whereas mitosis only splits once. Meiosis reduces the amount of chromosomes in each cell with every cycle, decreasing its ploidy level. Mitosis keeps the amount of chromosomes in each cell after every cycle. The ploidy level stays the same. Purposes. Mitosis is used for healing and regenerating, such as when you get hurt or get a scab. Mitosis is what makes sure your cells grow back and wound heals. Basically, if you have an injury like so, mitosis will build new cells to help repair that injury. Meiosis is used for producing gametes, which allow for reproduction. It allows for some characteristics to be carried over from the mother and the father into four cells. The cells outputted are a combination of sperm cells and egg cells. What could possibly go wrong? Mitosis can go out of control and cause cancer due to too many cells being replicated. Mitosis can also duplicate bad cells and with disease in them, which can cause mutations and spreading of disease. Errors in meiosis can cause mutations in gametes, which can lead to deadly outcomes for the baby. Conclusion. In short, mitosis and meiosis both produce cells, but have very different functions. Both mitosis and meiosis undergo interphase. Mitosis produces diploid, while meiosis produces haploid cells. Mitosis creates two identical cells, while meiosis creates four unique daughter cells for reproduction. And and thank you for listening to my presentation.